Hello. Last time I shared information regarding conventional loans. Today I want to take some time and talk about FHA or Federal Housing Administration loans. Super popular government insured loan. A few of the requirements: it needs to be your primary residence. We're looking for a 580 minimum FICO with 3.5% as the down payment, or a 500 minimum FICO with 10% as the down payment. Also looking for verifiable, reliable income. You don't need a 620 FICO. You don't need to put 20% down. That is a myth. But keep in mind with FHA, those FHA approved lenders are taking on more of a risk due to the lower credit scores and the lower down payment. And as a result, the borrower, that's you, are going to be responsible for two types of MIP, or mortgage insurance premiums. You'll have an upfront MIP, and that will equal 1.75% of the purchase price. And you'll also have monthly mortgage insurance, and that ranges between 0.80 and 0.85%. And that's for the life of the loan. But don't let that scare you. Once you have built 20% equity, I can refinance your loan into a conventional loan, and then you no longer have the monthly mortgage insurance. Also, not sure who needs to hear this, but I encourage you to start building your generational wealth as of yesterday. Your first home, your starter home, is not necessarily your forever home. You get in there, you build your equity, and then you move on, upgrade, move on to bigger and better things, or you stay and put in additional sweat equity, and it's all good. But I just want to remind you, your first car was probably not a Range Rover. My first car was a 96 red Ford Escort. It's much different than what I'm driving now. My first house was a lovely home. It was around the corner from a liquor store. Super convenient, but was not ideal for where I wanted to start a family. So once we stayed there long enough to build that equity, we moved on to bigger and better things. So I just want to remind you of that. Next time, I want to make a video on DTI, or debt to income ratio, and how student loans impact that. If you have any suggestions for video content, let me know. And if you have questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. Thank you for watching.